How to add highlights on Instagram without posting on story. Hi everyone, this is Kate from Create Login and Delete. Now without any further ado, let's get started with this video. First of all, launch the Instagram application in your mobile device and make sure that you're logged in with your account. Once you're logged in and you get your home page, now to add highlights on Instagram, first of all, we have to post that in our story. But we will post this story so that no one could be able to see our story. Then only we will be able to add that on our highlights. So here is how you can do it. First of all, navigate to your profile page by tapping on the profile icon from the bottom right corner. Now from here, navigate to top right corner and tap on your three-line icon. From here, scroll down and then tap on Hide Story and Live. From here, tap on Hide Story and Live from. Now you have to hide your story from all of your followers. Here, all the followers will be loaded up in your interface. All you have to do is select them all and then tap on Done from the top right corner. Now go back again. Now head back to your profile page. Once you have hidden your story from all of your followers, now you have to add a picture in your story so that you can add that to your highlights. For that, tap on your story from the top left corner. Now select a picture that you like to add. Now simply post this in your story. Tap on Not Now. Now once the story is uploaded in your Instagram, you can add that to your highlights. Navigate your story. Once it is posted, you will get this highlight option. Tap on highlight from the bottom right corner. Now you can simply add to a highlight. You can name your highlight. Then tap on add. Now if you navigate to your profile page, and as you can see here, the highlights has been added. So that's the way to add highlights on Instagram, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video helps you. If you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe and like. Thanks for watching, and I will see you on next video.